81 divided by 1/9 multiplied by 9. You would say 1/9 times 9. You can cancel these two nines, and the answer is 81. But unfortunately, that's not correct because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. Yes, we do have an order of operations because without a unified rule, everybody would be lost because you would say, this is the right answer. I would say, no. So this would create chaos and mayhem inside mathematics. So because of this, we have something called PEMDAS. So PEMDAS is an acronym. Let's see what PEMDAS is. P stands for parentheses. We don't have it here, but I want to give you a homework at the end. E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And then here we have an arrow of priority. So from the highest to the lowest priority. Obviously, parentheses have the highest priority. You must do this at first, then go for exponents, then for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority. MD or DM doesn't matter. And then go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So with that being said, let's revisit our original problem. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all so you won't be lost. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Oh, do I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul? I think so. Let's do the original problem. Do we have any parentheses? No. Any exponents? No. We have just multiplication and division. But you can't do this multiplication at first because this is not right according to PEMDAS. We must go from left to right. So we have a division. Let's learn this division rule at first. So if you have a number, you want to divide it by a fraction, you can keep the first number, you can change the sign into multiplication, and you can flip the fraction. So this is called the KCF rule, keep, change, and flipping. In other words, in mathematical terms, you are reciprocating the fraction, or this is the reciprocal of the fraction. So learn these terms as well. Now, 81 divided by 1/9, we can write it as 81 multiply. So change, keep the first number, change the sign, and flip the fraction or reciprocate the fraction. Oh, really? It looks really different. So 81 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. So we have just multiplication. 81 multiplied by 9 gives us 729, and 729 multiplied by 9, that's a big number. So 6,561, I guess. So make sure to double check if this is the correct one. I think this should be correct. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had the expression like this? 81 divided by 1/9 times 9. And here we had inside the brackets and squared. So make sure to drop your answers in the comments below. And please subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, to support me and motivate me. It means really a lot. I really appreciate it. And like the video if you haven't already. All the best to you and your families, my dear students.